a look at the Weewooday mic belt bag. So it's nice and stretchy and perfect for any kind of activities where you want this strapped on you and not bouncing around. Let's take a closer look at the fit of it. I'm just going to demonstrate a few of the different ways that you could potentially wear this. So I think the main way is kind of at the hip. That was what I found to be the most comfortable. However, there are other stable ways to wear it. So this is kind of a main look at it. You can adjust the strap at the side, and then it's got the buckle there. Very sleek look and stretchy, and then it comfortably fits your microphone or potentially even phone into it. You can see my phone completely fit in there, so depending on how you're planning to use it. But really no kind of bouncing or jiggling, so you don't have to worry about movement or sound or it falling. So here's it at the arm, as you had seen there, and then even I have clipped it around my leg. So this will kind of depend on your size and just the overall fit that you want to achieve, but you can see I managed to make it work a variety of different ways. If you're in need of a stable belt bag, this would be an awesome option. Check it out, guys. Bye!